Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Logitech G Hub quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by downloading Logitech G Hub from the official Logitech website. Open your web browser and navigate to the Logitech G Hub download page. Click the download button to start the downloading process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation. Accept the license agreement to proceed with the install. Choose your preferred installation location or leave it as. Click the install button to start installing Logitech G. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, launch Logitech G Hub from your desktop or start menu. Connect your Logitech device, such as a mouse or keyboard, to your computer. G Hub will automatically detect your device. If prompted, sign in or create a Logitech account for full features. Explore the interface to customize your device settings. Adjust lighting, button assignments, and other features as desired. Save your changes and exit G Hub. Your Logitech device is now set up and ready to use. Check for updates within G Hub to ensure you have the latest software version. Enjoy your optimized gaming or productivity experience with Logitech G Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.